Hi, morning. Equity markets here in India have started off in the green and they continue to maintain that bit of strength early on. You have the Nifty 50 that's trading about 0.4% in the green, and you have the broader markets that are more or less keeping pace with the benchmarks today. In fact, if anything, the small cap index is trading high about 0.6% or so, and the mid cap index is trading with gains of about 0.3%. What is the context? The context is that the global cues have been supportive. Wall Street closed at yet another record high, and volatility in the Indian equity markets has cooled off substantially over the course of the last couple of sessions. In fact, as of now, India VIX, as I look at it, is at 12.8, and that's a far cry from the above 20 levels that we have been used to over the course of the last year or so. So we've been trading in a bit of a narrow band for the Nifty 50 over the past couple of sessions. In fact, few sessions you had 15,900 or thereabouts on the upside, 15,700 on the downside. Even in today's session, you had an open at 15,776 and a low of 15,774 and a high of 15,815. So if anything, today the band is even shorter, even narrower than it has been in recent times. From the sectoral indices, you have the Nifty Bank that is underperforming. It's flat to marginally negative. You have the realty index that's trading with cuts of about 0.5%, but all of the other indices are trading in the green. IT is seeing quite a bit of strength. You had a significant update in the form of coverage that has been taken up by Morgan Stanley. All right, now, what are the individual stocks that are contributing to the move on the Nifty 50? You have right on top quite a few of the tech names. You have Infy, Tech Mahindra, TCS, all trading with gains of above 1%. JSW Steel again right on top. Tata Steel once again gaining over 1%. Those are the top 5 gainers. So is Divi's Lab, in fact, gaining about 1% as well. Among the losers, you have Power Grid that's losing about 1%, and Adani Ports that's down about 0.9%. Shree Cement, NTPC, Grasim are the others that make up the bottom 5. You have 36 gainers on the Nifty 50 at this juncture. Overall, market breadth is favoring the advances. In fact, more than 2 gainers for every decline at the moment. So it could be that today the gains hold out and you might have a session where we end in the green. Whether or not we challenge for the 15,900 mark, that seems a little unlikely. What are the factors that you have to bear in mind going forward? Well, we're nearly at the end of June, and remember, the Q4 earnings is a protracted exercise where over the course of 2 months you have companies report their earnings for the full year and for the fourth quarter. But now, as we head into July, you will soon start seeing the first quarter results from many companies. And that, I think, is when people will start, or investors will start, factoring in the kind of impact that you saw in the second wave of the pandemic, and the outlook might just shift on account of that. It's wait and watch as of now, though. We'll see how it pans out. Right now, the Nifty is trading in a bit of a range that could remain the case for the rest of the day. That's all I have for you, but there's lots to watch out for over the course of the day. You'll find all of that on ET Now.